Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and this is a screen guard by Kartronics, and I had purchased this for my K20 Pro. You can also use for Vivo phones, etc. So in this video I'm going to show you how to properly install a screen guard for your Android phone, and please watch this video till the end because in this video I'm going to give you some bonus tip of installing it perfectly without bubbles, etc. So first you need to remove any kind of protector which you have. Also, if you like this videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also enable the notifications to get any updates whenever we upload any new video. So this is the previous screen guard which I was using, and this is kind of flexible, and this was scratch guard, and basically this is one of the reason I tried to change it with this tempered glass, and you all need to replace it with a new screen guard maybe after every 6 months or 1 year. Also check out the link in the description for this screen guard which I have it, and I'm also going to show you all what's the best way of installing it and the proper way of installing it. So make sure that you all are subscribed to this channel as well because I'll be sharing some other videos too. So once you remove, guys, you'll be having some glue and lint etc from your previous screen guard which you all have to get rid of it, and without getting rid of it you all cannot install it properly. So just have to remove any smudges etc. So we have these wipes, cleaning wipes, and basically there are two types. One is the wet and the dry, so I'm going to use the wet one. So this contains nothing but alcohol, and alcohol can get rid of debris and fine lint etc. So this is very important, crucial stage, guys. You all should not miss it out. And as you can see, it is getting clean 100%. So just check out how it's actually not water, this is alcohol, so it is just going to evaporate after some time. So secondly, we have to use this dry cloth. You all can use other dry cloth or etc which are lint free, and y'all can just check it out over here how I'm cleaning it. But make sure y'all are not rubbing it vigorously, because if you all do that, it will going to cause some scratches for your device, and you should just have some nice gentle tap, guys, and then it is good to go. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried installing a screen guard and you all got it proper in the first try etc. So this is how it is, and we have to remove the protective film from the screen guard. So tempered glass usually have just one screen guard protector, guys, and you all have to be very careful while placing it. Since this phone is not having any notch, it is proper, and then I can directly go over here, and after placing it, just press in the between like this, and as you can see, all the bubbles etc are gone. And if there are any bubbles and all, you'll have to gently press it towards the end or the edge, and as you can see, I have just removed it slightly and again reapplied it. Make sure that this is you all are doing it very promptly, otherwise it is going to keep some bubbles etc. So as you can see, guys, I have installed on my K20 Pro, and this have this nice carbon finish, and I really like this phone. And this is how you will install a perfect screen guard, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.